Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to do a little ribbon hack on single-sided ribbon. So the really annoying thing about single-sided ribbon is that when you do a bunny ear bow, which is the easiest bow to form, you end up with the centerpiece being the wrong side of the ribbon and also the tail. When you do a shoelace bow, you end up with the whole strip coming down, so how you tie your shoes, which is how you would normally tie a bow. So it's really annoying. So I've got this idea on how to make that good and get it so all of the pieces are up. So I'm going to take some nice red ribbon with spots on one side and plain on the other, and I want the spots to be my right side. So what you need to do is form a loop and make sure you've got a long enough tail here, just because of the way you form the bow. It just takes it away for a bit and you pull it back, but you don't want to be too short on it. So make yourself a loop and get that nice and straight together. Hold it together there, and then what you're going to do with this piece is you've pinched it there, so I'm holding it, and then I'm going to grab this tail and I'm going to wrap it around my pinch. Okay, so all I've done is take the tail from over here and wrapped it around the pinch, and then my middle finger is going to grab the ribbon on the other side so I can hold it in one hand. Then I'm going to form another loop here with this one, and I've still got it on the reel, so you're not wasting this side of your ribbon. So you just form a loop. Now what you'll notice, if I put that loop through there, this tail is going to be around the wrong side. So what you do is you get your loop and then you twist it around. Just turn it over to the other way so that this tail has its pretty side coming towards you. And then you just slide the end of that in through the loop. Okay? And then what you do is you pull the loop a little, and then you hold both of the bow loops in finger and thumb, and then you just use your middle finger and rest the tails against it like that. And you have to sort of like let go and let it pull together, and you can adjust it, but just to get it tight first. So there you go, you just have to manipulate it, just pull it through like that, and now it's nice and tight. And now we can adjust our bow, and we can make it shorter like this, or we can pull these loops and take some of the tail and have it longer. See, it's coming through, and you can do that. So you can make it longer, so you can adjust it to the size you want, get them level on both sides, and just give that a... So to make it tight, this isn't tight, to make it tight you have to pull just the loops, okay? And then you adjust again, and to make it tight, pull just the loops, and then you can cut your tails accordingly. And on the back it looks absolutely fine. You can see we've got that lovely spotty knot on that side. Now I'm going to do it again, and I just want to point out that there are 3 dots in the top right hand corner of this video, and if you click on them you get a playback speed, so you can slow it down or speed it up, and there aren't many things in life that can slow me down, so that's pretty good. So take your tail, form a loop and pinch it. Take the other piece that you've got, the remainder on the reel, and wrap it around the pinch. Okay, right side facing up towards you. Grab the pinch with your middle finger so you can let go. Form another loop here, and then grab it and twist it at the same time so that this tail comes through. Pop it into that loop like that. Grab hold of it with your index and your tails, and just, you have to pull the loops, okay? So just bear in mind that you need to get these tails to come back out, and then pull it again tighter. And pull the tails into, pull the tails to adjust the ribbon bow like this. So if you want a really teeny one, you just have to keep going down and tightening. And like I say, the tightening, and that's quite tight now, is the bow. So you can get a really nice small bow as well as a big bow, and then you can just snip your edges, your ends, tails, making up all sorts of names for these like this, and there you go. You've got your lovely ribbon, and it's all facing you, which is what you want, and the back looks absolutely fine too. So thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for subscribing, liking and sharing all my videos. I do appreciate all of you, and I'll see you again real soon. Thank you. Bye.